How to fix TikTok is not available right now in TikTok USA. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the ban on TikTok in USA, there is this error code on your TikTok app. To bypass this, you can use any reliable VPN to connect to another server or region. To do so, head over to the VPN, get started with your paid VPN or the free service. Then after, change the region of your server and head over to the TikTok app. You just have to refresh the page and your TikTok must be working. However, the process is slightly different if you have not installed the app currently. In that case, you'll have to visit to your app store and change the region of your app store as well. After that, you should be able to use your TikTok. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.